Let's review the repair process. Inspect the tire. Mark the injury. Remove the penetrating object from the tire. Apply Rema Pre-Buff Cleaner. Scrape away contaminants. Ream the injury. Buff the repair area. Remove all debris. Apply Rema Special Blue Cement to the injury channel and buffed area. Let the cement air dry. Install the Minicombi. Stitch thoroughly. Apply Rema Tip Top Repair Sealant. Remount, inflate, and trim stem. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a safe, effective repair. Rema Tip Top offers a wide range of puncture repair products for passenger and light truck tires. Choose Rema Tip Top and assure your customers of a safe, secure ride.